Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to episode 2 of the log home build series. In this episode we're going to be installing the loft joists, installing the stairway, cutting some archways, and just building, continuing the process of building. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the process. So here we go. Good morning guys, welcome to part 2. Right off the bat this morning we got some beams ready to be installed, so here's what these look like. We've got some square tenons cut with a chainsaw, and those will go into mortises that we cut in the wall. Over here you can see Jesse marking out some mortises, or Ben I mean. And Jesse, they're both over here. Those will go into notches up here. Beautiful clear morning, and it's gonna be a great day. Beams are installed. This one here is going to have a wall frame up underneath it, so it's got a flat cut on the bottom. And so working on getting the stairway built. It's going to attach to that beam right there and come down this way. Full length stairway with no landing. So that'll be cool. Jesse's cutting it right now. Go check that out. laying a few more logs for the next course. Moving right along. Alright, we just finished installing the first stringer. Nice and level in place, and we'll install the second one and then put the steps for the treads onto the stringers. So far so good. So I forgot to hit record on the camera when I was getting ready to install this second one. So anyway, here they are. You can see what it looks like. So we gotta put the steps on, and that'll be nice, beautiful stairway. Set off the log cabin. It'll look super cool in here when it's all finished. So, all right, on to other things. We're gonna get got the last row being notched in, row 14, which is our roofline row for this side over here. So this back side with the loft gets another about 9 or 10 more rows just up with a wall to give extra space up here. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna finish up, got one more log to lay right there. Then we're gonna reset this top row. We're gonna take it off, take measurements, square it up, take it off of the wall, set it down on the concrete down there, and then keep building. That way we're not working way up. You know, we don't really have enough space anyway to keep going up, so we do that to save, you know, everything, save time, efficiency, keeps us safer and not have to be working up high. So that's what we're going to be working on next. Coming along nice. It's almost lunchtime, so it's going well. Alright guys, it's the end of day 4. The stairway is in. Gotta cut some of these off, still trim the ends. But we got quite a bit done today. We got this little gable set up on the in the dining room and put this ridge pole in. So going well. Now just to finish up this little thing out here, I'll finish that up and then we'll take that down, reset the top row, and keep going with the top story. Oh, also we need to do the porch headers. There's a wraparound deck that starts right here, wraps around this side, and then goes this way with a hip roof right here in the corner. So we gotta do that still. Other than that, we're moving right along. Monday morning, day 5, I just build and getting started. Chilly this morning, the sun's coming up. Got a lot of stuff going on here. cut right here. And then standing on the stairs. Porch headers are up. And getting ready to scribe this hip rafter down into the corner here. So coming along pretty nicely. It's the afternoon of day 5, I guess. He's taken down the gable and purlins over here so we can reset that top row when we're ready in a little while here. So it's been a pretty good day so far. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be updated when I post the next videos in the series. There'll be at least one, maybe 2 more. Those will be coming in the next week or 2. Then hopefully down the road, like a month or several months in the future, when we do the on-site build for this house, I'll try to get some video of that and put out some videos of that process, and possibly farther down the road some of the interior finish work. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.